Here we have another unboxing video. This is for a set of chrome Peugeot 207 Angel Eye headlights. What we're going to do is get these out, have a closer look and run through all the features on these headlights. So as you can see, these are boxed really well, which is ideal for ordering these parts online. This kit does come with a pair of headlights. I will only get one out for this demonstration. So we'll talk about the features, what we can see from the outside of the light. We've got a chrome inner. We do also do these in black. So this headlight features a dip beam projector. Gives it a Xenon style type look. And we have twin LED halo rings. We also have on this headlight 3 additional LEDs which are located at the very top of the headlight. So here we have the rear of the headlight. This headlight comes with both dip and high beam bulbs already supplied and fitted. And also this headlight is manual height adjust only. So the height adjust can be adjusted by turning this metal bar, or if you look here you can see both the studs, which you can either use a flathead screwdriver or I believe it's maybe an 8mm socket on there, so that'll move your beam up and down. Like I said, this headlight is for manual adjust only. There is options out there from the manufacturer where you can buy this headlight with electric adjust. So you will see this plug on the headlight. Just discard it, it's not needed for this version. So what we have, like I said, on the front, we've got a pair of halo rings and also like a bank of 3 LEDs what can be wired into the side lights to be used as like a DRL. So the black and white wires at the bottom powers the Angel Eye rings. So all you need to do is, as you can see on the plug is pre-wired to power all the functions on the headlight, but the manufacturer leaves out the side light feeds cut like this, obviously with black and white wires. So what we need to do then is join the black and white wires from the halo rings to these wires. Either you can solder and heat shrink, which I recommend, or you can use the clips which are included within the kit. Now this does also have the bank of LEDs at the top, so if you choose to wire both, you just need to wire both into this, or one or the other. It's just down to your preference what you decide to use or decide to wire up.